videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Afghanistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like many countries, Afghanistan has launched e-visa services so that it can boost their tourism. So in front of you, I have opened this e-Afghan portal, okay, where they have given the information. So the very first thing is to check the requirements because that's how it works, guys, right? So they issue single entry visa, 30 days single entry and expire 90 days from date of issue. So with like if it is issued to you today, make sure you travel within 90 days, otherwise you may need to apply once more. Now there's a checker for eligibility too. Check what nationality you are. So let's see if I select Canada. Select your country of residence. Okay, both. Canada. Then I'm eligible. Wow. If I select India, like a Canadian living in India. Oh, wow. And if I do it opposite, India, definitely not. But if India, Canada. Wow. So they are focusing more on the location you are living than your current one. Okay. All right. So make sure it is correct based on your circumstances before you actually proceed. Because once you're okay with this and you know, okay, required documents, passport you need to upload, colored photograph, other identification document, accommodation proof, and itinerary. Very basic they have asked, not much. Go for continue. Hmm. So you need to sign in first. So if you're coming for the first time, you're gonna go ahead and create an account. So you're gonna put your email address and continue. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, guys, so what happens on your email, the system sends a code, verification code that you have to put in. And after that, it lets you complete your profile by providing first name, last name, phone number, country of residence, and of course, like date of birth. And then you can log in. And once you log in, this is where you reach. So if you're coming here, like you can apply like a normal visa process or you can apply express visa where you can fast track. Okay, and these are just the stats. So I'm going for normal, but you can go for express also. With the photo guidelines also they have given. So make sure you follow those. Technical specification also. Photograph examples. Wow. You can start the photo tool also to check if it meets the criteria, but otherwise you can start with the continue. Okay. So here the application is, of course, I'm not going to submit. So if it's for yourself, put your passport detail. I'm putting some sample. You do as per your own guess. Passport issue date, let's say 1st of April. Expiry date. Now put the, so as you can see, it's in 4 steps. Step 1 we did, second is personal detail. Okay. Select your title, whatever it is. Country of birth, marital status, gender. Oh, father's full name. And any information you enter here, guys, please check it 2 times, not just once. Because it's going to be a legal document once you fill it up. Now we have gone for contact details. Put your address. All these are sample, guys. Next is employment details. Okay. employer name, employer address. They have asked for the previous employer name. So if available, provide that. Otherwise, go for NA because it's a mandatory field. Okay. Now next is the visa information. Purpose of journey, holiday, entry. When you are entering, so I'll select it. Number of stays, let's say we're gonna stay for 15 days. Point of entry, Kabul International Airport. Okay, yes. Places that you're gonna visit, complete address where you're gonna stay. So that's very important. Fill all the information. Why to hide, right? Have you applied for Afghan visa before? I select no. Do you have a criminal record? No. Do you have a sponsor in Afghanistan? I select no. Next. Places that you're gonna visit. Of course, like you have a plan to fill all that. For next. Oh, place of issue, passport. Take your passport, it's written there. I'm just doing this. Wow, issue date. Okay, now where are we? Now we have gone to the documents. So we have to upload photo, then passport copy, ID copy, other documents that we had gone at the initially. Next is going to be declaration, and then you have to pay. So again, so of course, I'm not going to go there, but this is how it works, guys. And please subscribe to the channel. I mean, after declaration, you can submit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.